హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈనాటి ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో భాగంగా ఇప్పుడు ఇంగ్లీష్ గ్రామర్కి సంబంధించి ఒక చిన్న టాపిక్ని చూద్దాం. వర్బ్స్ అండ్ నౌన్స్. సో హౌ verb is changing into noun form. Here we can see some example sentences. First one, the doctor examined the patient. Examined is in the verb form. The selection candidates is based on their performance in the written examination. Examination word is in the noun form. The Nizam collected beautiful pieces of jewelry during his lifetime. Collected is in the verb form. The Jacob diamond is the best piece of Nizam's jewelry collection. Collection is in the noun form. He associated himself with the Rotary Club. Associated is in the verb form. The association has called for nominations to conduct elections. So association is in the noun form. The committee has resolved to promote international understanding. Promote is in the verb form. The board has formulated new rules for the promotion of cricket. Promotion is in the noun form. The candidates should apply for the post before 15th January. Apply is in the verb form. Applications are invited for the post of computer operator in the army school. Applications is in the noun form. The people who inform of the new tax rules. Inform is in the verb form. The information on the new tax rules was given to the people. Information is in the noun form. Here some more examples are given. We can see. Here accomplish is in the verb form. It is changing into accomplishment. Acquaint, acquittance. Commit, commitment. Conceive, conception. Decide, decision. Admit, admission. Collide, coalition. Notify, notification. Select, selection. Apply, application. Attest, attestation. Register, registration. Examine, examination. Verify, verification. Next, belief, believe. Bath, bathe. Character, characterize. Center, centralize. Company, accompany. Circle, encircle. Colony, colonize. Electricity, electrify. Fool, befool. Food, feed. So these are the some examples. You can find the difference between verb and noun. Here some more you can see, friends. Force, enforce. Next, friend, befriend. Frost, freeze. Furniture, furnish. Glory, glorify. Now here he is asking you to fill some blanks. Now one side verbs are given, other side noun columns are given. So in that blank you should fill the noun form. So first one example is given here. To agree, agreement is in the noun form. Like that, to manage, management. To improve, improvement. To pay, payment. To amuse, amusement. To entertain, entertainment. To perform, performance. To replace, replacement. To enforce, enforcement, to imprison, imprisonment, to encourage, encouragement, employ, employment, to uplift, upliftment, to appoint, appointment, to create, creation, to invite, invitation, to submit, submission, to absorb, absorption, to regularize, regulation. Here are some words, some more here you can see here. Here you can see to connect, connection, to delegate, delegation, to appreciate, appreciation, to assert, assertion, to object, objection, to complete, completion, to destroy, destruction, to omit, omission, to explain, explanation. So now, so down some nouns are given here. The noun you have to write the verb form. We'll see now that. Here he gave belief. So belief change into verb as to believe. Next, pollution, to pollute. Next, arrangement, to arrange. Prevention, to prevent. Determination, to determine. Operation, to operate. Maintenance, to maintain. Constitution, to constitute. Imagination, to imagine. Collaboration, to collaborate. Statement, to state. Argument, to argue. Exhibition, to exhibit. Presentation, to present. Now, like this, how verbs are changing into noun form, how nouns can change into verb form. Now we have completed this little grammar topic. Thank you.